In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord no route CTR connecting. First thing you want to do is go to settings and then type in VPN. So VPN settings, go to VPN settings, then make sure if you have a VPN turned on, make sure to turn it off. If you have any external VPN applications, then turn it off. And then next thing you have to completely turn off Discord. So I'm going to right click here and quit Discord and then go to task manager. And then I'm going to make sure Discord is not turned on. So I'm going to type in Discord. So that's good. I'm going to go to details. Then again, there's no Discord. So Discord. So once you have Discord completely turned off, we're going to exit, go to CMD, then right click run as administrator. Then here I'm going to type in the following. I'm going to type in IP config space / flush DNS. This will flush the DNS. Then once you have done that, I'm going to go back to Discord. Let me open Discord. Okay, and then go to the sound settings, go to user settings, scroll down, voice and video, make sure your proper microphone is selected and the speaker. And then also what you might want to do is try to reset all voice settings, and then you should be able to see your proper mic and speaker. Do not select the default because sometimes it doesn't work. Okay, and then once you have done that, you can go to the server, so the voice channel. Let's say you're an admin in this voice channel. You go to edit voice channel. Just make sure you have like admin rights, or if you're the owner of the channel, edit the channel. Now this is the voice channel. Go to overview, you have to scroll down, then override region, you have to set this to not automatic, so you can change the location. Just change it to your location. So for me, I'm going to change it to this, then click save changes and then check if this works for you. If it doesn't work, then go back and set this to a different location and try it, and this should fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.